Welcome to Civic Sense. I am Dr. Rupak Kumar and with me is Dr. Madhukar Shah. Civic Sense is a platform where we bring lecture series, podcasts, newsletters, and book reviews for our audience. As promised, we bring to you the roadmap of our lecture series. But before that, at the end, we are revealing the name of the books that we are going to review. So watch till the end. So as far as political science is concerned, we are going to cover it in four broader themes. First would be comparative politics, where we are studying the concepts, methods, and approaches to study the comparative politics. Second would be to understand the political processes and Indian government, where we will be looking at the politics, basically the domestic politics and the various institutional mechanisms. Third part would be the Indian constitution and the public institutions in India. And fourth and the last theme would be to explain political thought, where we will be looking at both the Indian political thought and Western political thought.
I will be covering the syllabus of international relations. In international relations, what we are going to cover are first theories of international relations. Followed by this, we are going to cover the concepts of international relations, and then we will be covering the regional and international organizations. We will also be adding the India's foreign policy. In India's foreign policy, I will be discussing the India's approach to the world, how Indian government or the policy makers are making policy towards the world. It will be structured like immediate neighbors, extended neighbors, digital neighbors, as well as spiritual neighbors. And then we will also be covering the major powers, the China, Russia, European Union and USA. This section will help us in understanding the India's national security. That will be the another paper. In this paper, what we are going to offer is the philosophical understanding of security since the time of Kautilya to present time, in which we will be covering why we have the issues like left-wing extremism, what are the challenges we are going to face in northeast region. So these lecture series will help you to understand the international relations, India's foreign policy, as well as the India's national security in a broad way.
So now, Madhukar, as we are also coming up with exciting book reviews, what are the books that we are going to review in coming months?
So book review will help viewers to understand what is written by different scholars and what are the approaches they are using to write the books, like The India Way by S. Jaishankar, our External Affairs Minister, India's China War by Neville Maxwell, then 1962 India-China War, What They Don't Want to Know by Sandeep Mukherjee, then the book The Colonial Constitution written by Arghya Sen Gupta, followed by How PM Decides by the Nirja Chaudhary, Muslim Politics in India by Hamid Dalwai, and Integration of Bharat by Yash Raj Singh Bundela. So these book review will help our student to understand political science and international relations in a broader way. Dear viewers, for more detail, please go to our WhatsApp channel, for which the link is given in our description. You will find the PDF of all the syllabus that we have discussed here in more detail. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's embark on this journey together.
Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you. नमस्कार, फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.